We are recording, we are live. Hey guys, Henry here. And what I want to share today with you is a very important indicator that I use to make my investment decisions, especially when it comes to DeFi protocols. And this indicator, it correlates price, TVL, and market capitalization. But before going ahead with it, let me explain what these things are and why you need to use them. And let's first start with the TVL. TVL stands for total value locked. And TVL is important the same way um, you use, for example, the total deposits in a bank to measure if the bank has a good future or not, if the bank should be a good investment or not. So if you are into investing in stocks of banks and you want to understand the growth of a certain bank, you look at the TVL of the bank. Of course, in the banking industry, they don't use the word TVL, total value locked, but they use total deposits or they use AUM, assets under management. And TVL is pretty much very similar, but for DeFi. So if you want to understand if bank A or B or C is growing, you can look at the total deposits in the bank. And are total deposits now higher or lower than 1 year ago? And that will tell you whether more people are using that bank or not. Very simple, right? And if more people are using the bank, probably the bank will be a better investment. And what we are trying to see here is whether the stock of the bank is the price going up or down compared to the total deposits. So imagine if a bank now has $1 billion more in deposits and actually the stock price didn't move much. Maybe the stock didn't pick up yet with the positive activity of the bank. Of course, there are many other variables, but now let's stick to the TVL. So this works the same for DeFi protocols. If you see a DeFi protocol whose TVL is going up a lot and the price of the token didn't go up a lot yet, maybe there is something there. Maybe there is a good reason not to go up. Maybe there is some kind of issue. But if there is no issue with that DeFi protocol, maybe simply the market is not paying attention. And I just recently, I screened 200 different projects for their TVL to price variations, and I found a bunch of projects that there is no good reason that the token price is not going up. I think it's just simply people are not paying attention. The market is not paying attention. And when you detect these opportunities, there is a good side there. You need to catch that upside. It's like walking on the street, you see a $20 bill on the floor, just grab it, right? And these bumping into these DeFi protocols whose TVL is going up a lot and the token price didn't go up a lot, investing in those is just like picking dollar bills from the floor of the street because no one saw them yet. Okay, they are there because no one saw them yet, but people will see it, and you need to be the first to see it. That's why I want to share this with you. So let me share with you here a couple of websites, okay, that will be useful for your analysis. And the first will be DeFi Llama, okay? Yeah, so here, DeFi Llama is a website where you can find pretty much all the information you need about DeFi protocols. DeFi Llama is a must. You must use DeFi Llama. And you can filter here by 1 month and put a TVL range. You probably don't want to invest in DeFi protocols that are under $20 million in TVL because they are too small. So I'll put here 20 million. Max, I put just a very large number. Apply filter. And when you apply filter, you will see that you still have here 400 something DeFi protocols whose TVL, so how much money have people deposited into these DeFi protocols, is over $20 million. And these different protocols, as you see here, have many different categories, from lending, restaking, liquid staking. You have decentralized exchanges, DEXs, like many different use cases. Now, what we want to do is click here to sort them according to the biggest 1 month change. And you have here some DeFi protocols. So I created a tool that I made available for my Be Limitless community. You can check the Be Limitless community link in the resources section of the video, in the description of the video. But basically, I have looked at 200 different DeFi protocols and picked the best according to these metrics. And one of them is this one, Izumi Finance. So as you can see here, the 1 month TVL variation is 345%. But when you look at the token price didn't change that much, right? So there is an opportunity here. So you first need to identify why, of course, why is the TVL going up and not and the price is not going up? Maybe there is a reason, a bad reason in this case, right? So you need to identify that. But if there is no red flags about the project, well, then it's good to go. So here you can see that Izumi Finance 1 month, the price, token price went up 30%, while the 1 month TVL change is 300 something percent, 345%. So you see here a huge increase over the last few months, right? This is what we are looking for. So you need to identify these projects. Now, there is one more important thing that I need to share with you. So some of these DeFi projects will TVL go up a lot. It might go up because the token price of that DeFi project also went up a lot. So you need to understand whether the TVL is going up because the token price, the underlying token, the underlying token is going up, or is it because people are putting fresh money into the DeFi protocol? You want DeFi protocols, you want to invest in DeFi protocols that whose TVL is going up not because the token price, but the TVL is going up because people are putting fresh money. So you need to do a little bit math. And again, I created tools for my community so that everyone can automate these. But let me just share with you what I share with my community. Okay, so I share here, as you can see, you have this formula over here. Just a TVL change. So I adjust the TVL change to the price change. And this will give me just the juicy TVL change of like new money that is entering that DeFi protocol. Okay. And this will give you great investment opportunities. I could share with you, like I've been monitoring these kind of metrics for a long time and it works. I tell you, it works. I have made investments just using these metrics that gave me 5 to 10x return on investment in just a few months. Now, again, you need to do additional due diligence. You need to check why is the TVL going up, why is the price not going up, and all that stuff, because you need to check the other fundamentals of the project. Is the team good? Is the project good? Do they have partnerships? It's like, is everything okay with the project? And if everything is okay with the project, then you can invest. Oh, by the way, talking about being everything okay with the project, you need to look at the fully diluted valuation. Sometimes the market capitalization and the fully diluted valuation is a little bit different. So you basically need to look at whether the project will unlock a lot of tokens in the future, because the fully diluted valuation means basically, okay, what will be the market capitalization if they release all the tokens to the public, right? All the tokens to the investors. And if that happens, there will be sell pressure. So you want to find projects whose TVL, no, not TVL, whose FDV, fully diluted valuation, is close to the market capitalization. Okay, because otherwise there will be a little bit of sell pressure in the future. So this is another thing you need to look at. So how long is this video? Almost 10 minutes. So I hope this was clear. If you want to learn more about pool DeFi metrics, I share everything about DeFi, about my crypto investments, about my stock investments, about my ETF investments in my Be Limitless community. I will leave the link in the description of the video. But not to brag too much, but 9 out of 10 investments that I put there, investment strategies, my own investment picks, I'm sharing my journey, but 9 out of 10 performed very well. And yeah, I not only share my investment tips, I share a lot of investor education. You'll find courses there where I give you the tools to know how to invest by yourself. I don't just want to tell you what to do. I'm just sharing my investment journey, but each one of us have different risk profiles. So I want to equip you with the tools to become a better investor, not for you just to copy what others do. You need to be a skilled investor, and that's my primary goal, to give you the skills. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.